Morning to one and all present here. I, Sunita Gandhi from Standard 10C, is going to speak about the pen is mightier than the sword. Pen stands for literature that comes out from the writer's pen. It is very true that literature and writings yield far more power than battles can ever do. Battles are fought for a certain period of time in a particular area. They certainly influence events, but in a limited time. The impact of wars cannot last long. It can last for a few centuries at most, but books last for decades. The messages of Gandhi, Buddha, Mahavira, etc. are valid for times. They are universal in appeal. The sword has a physical effect. It hardly affects the mind, intellect, and spirit, but the pen affects the mind, intellect, and spirit greatly. A pen can shape the mind, intellect, and spirit only if the wielder of the pen has the right use of it in a required measure. The fact of superiority of the pen over the sword does not lead us to the conclusion that the sword has no value. Sword does have value. Arms have changed the history of the world. Sometimes only force brings about changes. The great battle of Mahabharata had not been fought, then the forces of evil, representing the Kauravas, would have continued to plague the world. The rule of justice and righteousness could never have been established. The American Revolution of 1776 is the product of writings of the great philosophers and statesmen. The slogan, liberty, equality, and pursuit of happiness, given by the American revolutionaries, and the slogan, liberty, equality, and fraternity, given by the French revolutionaries, did not only do much to change the history of these two countries, but to revolutionize the outlook of people in the role of the state. Indians would have not won freedom if the people would not have been inspired by the writings of the great philosophers and patriotic writers, the men of literature who contributed significantly to the burning of fire of patriotic zeal in the hearts of multitudes of people, inspiring them to sacrifice their life for freedom. Thank you.